Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time, kindly subscribe, like this video and share it to your friends. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to subscribe to Apple Music using iTunes code or card. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do is to download this particular app. It's called Cartonic, right? Cartonic. So this is the app you are going to use to purchase the iTunes code. So let me just log in. Okay, so when you log in, this is how you're going to see the interface. As you can see, I already have some amount over here, 120 Ghana cedis. Okay, so if you want to top up, you tap on wallet here and then tap on top up. Okay, then you follow the procedure. But since I already have some money in it, I'll just go ahead and then buy the iTunes gift card. Okay, so you come to buy gift card, then I'll select United States since my iCloud is in the United States. Then you search for iTunes, right? So it will appear as App Store and iTunes US. That's what you are going to buy. Okay, so the amount you need to subscribe is $11, right? $11. I already have $1.59. So I just need to buy $10 iTunes gift code. Okay, so I'll type in $10 over here. As you can see, the amount is 113 cedis, 15 pesos. Okay, then I'll tap on proceed. And I'll come here and tap on submit purchase. Then I'll verify. So it's being processed right now. Okay, so it says your gift card purchase was successful. Go to history. So as you can see, it's pending over here. All you need to do is to wait for the iTunes gift code to be delivered. Then we'll redeem it after that to use it to purchase the app. Okay, so after some few minutes, the transaction has been approved. So you just tap on it, and there's the code you are going to redeem. Okay, the card number. So you just copy it, head over to your you can either redeem it at your Apple Music or your App Store, right? So you just tap on it, come here, tap on your profile. Okay, then you come to redeem gift card or code. Okay, then you come to enter code manually. Enter code manually, right? And you paste it. After pasting, you tap on redeem. Then you verify. So as you can see, I've successfully redeemed $10 iTunes code, right? Yeah. So sometimes they will give you some subscriptions for free, right? Which they've given me, but I'm not interested, so I'll just ignore and then go back to my Apple Music. This is how I'm going to subscribe. You tap on it and then I'll confirm. Yeah, so that's it. My Apple Music subscription has been successful. So right now I'll be able to play any music at all I want. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, share it to your friends, and then leave your thoughts in the